My coach for me was the third C of empathy, and he was what we call a catalyst. And I say that change is inevitable, so be a catalyst, drive it in the direction you want it to go.
Hi, I'm Shola. Is it time to create an environment of trust, openness and belonging? Do you need to increase the connection and collaboration at your organisation?
Turn to the person next to you and I'd love you to say to them, what's one thing that you would love to ask for? It could be in your work life, personal life. Literally, you've only got 20 seconds and then I'm going to ask you to swap.
I partner with organisations who realise that people are at the heart of their success. I help your leaders become more inclusive and your people to develop empathy and self-awareness.
Do you run equitable meetings? Think back to your last meeting. Was it just one or two people that were grandstanding and speaking all the time? Or do you make sure that every voice is heard? Because even those quiet people who are sitting there not speaking, they've probably got an opinion. They might have a very valuable opinion. So it's up to you as the leader to help them feel safe so that they can share that opinion.
I provide opportunities for interaction, self-reflection and practical step-by-step frameworks you can use immediately.
Let's talk about that fear. The fear that they may say no, right? So you might worry that you'll be rejected if you ask. So let's think about how we can use asking to bounce back from rejection.
Organisations around the world are prioritising their work on creating a culture of collaboration, understanding and belonging. And did you know that 83% of workers feel that mutual empathy between company leaders and employees leads to increased company revenue? I'm here to partner with you, helping you create a people-focused, high-performing work environment. Because when you look after your people look after your business.
Reach for the moon. And as we say, you might just get the stars, but at the very least, you will be defying gravity.